welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing, I almost want to say my first BoxyCharm unboxing ever. That would be a lie. That would be a lie. This is my first unboxing on this channel in, have I ever unboxed a BoxyCharm on my channel before? I'm actually not confident that I have. I don't think I have. This is the first, nope, that would also be a lie. I signed up for BoxyCharm in the month of October and received my first box, an October box, on October 31st. So because I received it at literally the last possible moment in October, I just unboxed it on my Instagram channel, and it's a good thing that I didn't come on camera and do it because I was highly disappointed. During the month of October, all subscribers were promised a dose of color palette, but I got a palette that was not dose of colors. In fact, it was something that was given out in July, and then I got another product that I'm not sure which month it would have been included in, but I couldn't find it in any of the previous month's boxes. So it was a bit of a failure, but we are here with the November box and I have much higher hopes for this one. I believe this month, if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a makeup, beauty, I think sometimes hair care and skincare subscription box. Previously to this month, it cost $21 a month, but they just upped the pricing because I think the quality of the products inside have gone up. So now it is $25 a month, which I think is still a reasonable price. They do offer two other kinds of boxes. I don't know too much about those. I did sign up for one of them. I think I signed up for Boxy Luxe, maybe. I think that there's a Boxy Premium and then Boxy Luxe. One of them, you get a bigger, better box 4 months out of the year, and it kind of replaces your regular BoxyCharm box, and you get to pick some of the items in there. I'm not sure. The next one is in December, and I did sign up for that box, so it'll be interesting to see how that works. I may or may not be interested in the other version they have, which I, again, don't really know that much about. If you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm, I'm pretty positive that I have a referral link that I will leave down in the description box. I did ask on my Instagram, I believe, if people would be interested in seeing BoxyCharm unboxings on my channel, and the majority was yes. So I thought, for me, let's go ahead and give it a try. Again, it's been a very, very long time since I've subscribed to BoxyCharm. I stopped getting boxes probably 3 years ago, maybe. It was by far my favorite makeup subscription box that I'd ever tried before, and I've tried quite a few of them. I thought the value was here. You got a lot of really good items in here. Just about everything was full size. For my cruelty-free beauty consumers, heads up, I read on their site, try and incorporate as many cruelty-free items in these boxes as possible, but they cannot guarantee that. So what I will be doing with anything that I receive that is not cruelty free is I will either be giving it to friends or family or selling it on my Poshmark. But let's hope that the majority of the items I get in these boxes are in fact cruelty free. So I have not opened this yet. The seal is not broken. Again, this is the November box. Hopefully I can get this up relatively soon. I unfortunately got a sneak peek of one of the items in here, I think, at least hopefully. All right, I'm excited. All right. So we have the cards on top. I believe on these cards is the items incorporated. I do not want any spoilers. Ooh, we also, I'm assuming this isn't one of the 5 items. If it's not, that's fantastic. We have a little extra bonus in here. This is a sample of the Undercover Lightweight Concealer by Pretty Vulgar. Ooh. So we have 4 different shades of this Undercover Concealer. I'm a big fan of lightweight concealers. Long wear, medium coverage, velvety soft texture, natural flawless finish, great for all skin types. Ooh. Whoa. We have some brushes. I have been looking to expand my brush collection. You can see a bunch of them back here. So I'm pretty stoked to have some new brushes. Ooh, we get 2 of them. Oh my gosh. I love the handle on these. Look at how it's like a pencil almost. I would assume these are for foundation, right? But they're kind of the same. One's just much bigger than the other one. This would probably be good for like blending in like a contour shade. Are these just BoxyCharm brushes? There's no other branding on these, which leads me to believe that these are BoxyCharm brushes. Okay, so I'm looking at these and I don't know if you'll really be able to tell. Let me see if I can give you a look of what I'm seeing. I really don't know that you'll be able to tell, but there's a ton of stray fibers or hairs, I don't know, brush hairs coming out of the top that don't look like they're in place. Oh, it's so weird. I want to just like cut them. I can't imagine that they're supposed to be like that. It looks like they're only on maybe one side of it. Huh. I'm definitely excited to give these a try. I could always use nude brushes. I like that these are all black. They feel really comfortable in the hand and they have a good weight to them. So we'll see. I'm excited to give these a try. I'll read more about them in a moment after I unbox the rest of it. Ooh, we have, oh yes. Oh, I'm excited. We have 2 sheet masks. I'm a big fan of sheet masks. I know not everybody is. And these are by Tula Skincare. These are the Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Masks. I have tried some things from Tula before. I didn't absolutely love them. Someone said that they are typically a brand that works a lot better for dry skin, and I have pretty oily skin. However, I'm still very interested in trying this out. Just because the other product didn't work great for me, it doesn't mean that these won't. So I'm pretty excited about this. And I don't know that I have any sheet masks in my life right now. So now I have 2. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, there's 3 things left in the box, which means there is in fact 5 full-size items. I want to first move on to this. This is the Dose of Color Liquid Matte Lipstick. Now I have 4 of these already in my life. I have Warm and Fuzzy, Brick, Mondays, and Play It Cool. I have 4 shades. I'm really hoping that this is not one of those 4 shades. I absolutely love this formula. This is one of my favorite formulas. It's not. Okay, I just read the shade. It's not one of my 4 shades. That's very exciting. This is the Dose of Color Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Mood. Ooh. I have a love-hate relationship with nude lipsticks. This is what it looks like. Okay. I feel like I don't look that good in super nude lipsticks. So let me give this, well, that actually might be really nice on me. I'm actually very excited about this shade. I was a little concerned that I wasn't going to love that nude, but I actually think this might look really good on me. This looks very similar to Warm and Fuzzy. Let me actually swatch it. Oh no, they're much different. Okay. All right, so we have Warm and Fuzzy right here and Nude Mood right there. You can see they're very different. This one is much more pink toned and this one is much more nude. I am really excited about this. I knew I would be getting nude lipsticks because that's what I chose on my BoxyCharm profile. So far, I'm really pleased with what I've seen. All right, next we have a skincare item. This is by Juice Beauty. This is their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I don't know if Juice Beauty is cruelty-free. Let me look that up real fast. Confirmed, Juice Beauty is in fact cruelty-free. This is their anti-wrinkle eye treatment. I am actually using up a deluxe size eye treatment right now, so I am in need of something in my life for my under eye area. Ooh, look at this packaging. That is exciting. What? This looks like a piece of medical equipment. Oh my gosh. Oh, I bet this is fantastic to use. I am so excited to use that. Let's see. So this is formulated with organic ingredients. We love that. Gently press to dispense the product, then massage the applicator around the entire eye area, starting at the inner corner. Gently pat excess with fingertips. Okay, this is exactly what I needed in my life, and now I don't have to go out and buy one. I am stoked about this. Oh my gosh. And the last product, the most exciting, the piece de resistance, the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. We can get rid of the box now. I am in focus. I have wanted to try Dominique Cosmetics for so incredibly long now, and because of BoxyCharm, I now have that chance. I could have picked up one of her palettes, absolutely, but I just haven't. There's a lot of brands like that where I'm like, oh, I really want to try that, but I just don't pick them up. I honestly don't really know what's inside. I don't remember the colors. Every time I've seen a sneak peek of BoxyCharm, I've immediately looked away, so I don't remember what the palette looks like on the inside, and I'm so excited. Here she is. This looks so beautiful. I want to swatch some of these. Okay. Ooh, the mattes. All right, here are some of the shades swatched. Eternal Light on the top, which is this beautiful glowy champagne shimmer shade. It's got a lot of glitter in it. And then we have Black Matter, which is this really cool purple, well, it's like a black with a purple glitter in it, really cool. And then we have 2 matte shades swatched here. We have Lunar Eclipse, which is a really pretty burnt orange color. These look like, I mean, I did this with my opposite hand, so the swatches aren't great, but this looks like a really pretty burnt orange. The mattes look like they blend really well. And then we have Mystic Ice, which is a really pigmented, really pretty blue. It doesn't look that pigmented because again, my swatching was not on point, but the mattes look like they're gonna blend really well. They're really, really smooth. All right, now that I am just covered in swatches, I did swatch the shade Fireball right here, and oh my God, that is a stunning shade. This has like a cranberry orange shift to it. So beautiful. Out of all the shades in that palette, that one is probably my favorite. All right, let's read a little bit of information, see how much value is in this box. So the first item on our list is the palette. This does retail for $35. So right off the bat, we made our money back plus some with this palette. Holy crap. The eye serum is a whopping $50. Wow, that's intense. The Dose of Color liquid lipsticks are $18. The Tula, oh, the masks. It does say $22. So I'm not sure if these are $11 each or $22 each. I would assume that they're $11 each, at least hope that they're $11 each. And then the BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set. So we have the large multi-purpose powder brush and the foundation brush. And these are a total price of $35. Wow. So this is the multi-purpose one and this is claimed as the foundation. I could see that. This could be good for blending in foundation. I'll have to give them a try. I got lots of new things. I'm most excited about the eye serum, the liquid lipstick. I'm excited to use these, even though this one looks oddly frayed. I'm excited to try out the eyeshadow palette. Always excited to use some masks. Oh, and I almost forgot, we got a little sample of the Pretty Vulgar concealer, so I'm excited to try this out also. Actually really excited to try this out. So, all right, I am impressed. The box that I got at the end of October was extremely disappointing, and this one I am actually very excited about. Very impressed with the items included. The value is here regardless of if I paid $21 or $25. Pretty sure I paid $25 this month. If you are interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, I will have a referral link down below. I think that I get some points if you use my referral link, so thank you in advance if you decide to sign up for BoxyCharm using my referral link. I will continue to do these for at least the foreseeable future. Who knows if I will stay subscribed to BoxyCharm, but if the boxes continue to be as good as this one was, then it's looking good. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.